I've heard exciting things about the nanotechnology department in the University of Limerick. Dr. Kevin Ryan and his team scale down materials by 1 billion times, changing their properties and making them useful for other purposes. One of those purposes is finding ways to solve the energy problems we face. Imagine a cheap solar ink that could be painted onto rooftops and immediately convert them into solar panels. Using nanocrystals, Dr. Claudia Coughlin is creating just such an ink.
Yeah, so during the manufacturing process, you can actually use this ink on, for example, like roof tiles or on corrugated roofing. So we can harness this clean source of energy that's hitting our roofs every day and convert it into usable electricity. The amount of energy that hits the Earth in 1 hour is enough to power the entire world for a full year. So our only challenge is to actually harness the solar energy that we get and to actually convert it into usable electricity.
And as I've learned, the big challenge is that once you can generate energy, you need to find a way to store it. Longer-lasting, cheaper batteries are key to the expansion of renewable energy and electric transport. And here in Limerick, they've actually cracked it.
Storage is probably the major challenge in energy at the moment, and that's where batteries are hugely important on a global level. Part of the work we're doing here at the University of Limerick is that we're looking at making better batteries, essentially.
Using nanotechnology, Dr. Ryan and his team will make batteries half the size and twice the power that charge faster and last longer. This will be a complete game changer for electric transport and renewable energy around the world.
In the area of nanomaterials, Ireland has been leading this for quite a long time. So we're one of the top countries in the world in this area. The advantages of putting nanomaterials into batteries is huge. Electric vehicles is one, mobile phones is another, but also power wall technology, but essentially where every home would have a battery pack in the home. And essentially what that is doing is it's acting as a store for renewable energy on the grid.
Ireland still imports €6.5 billion worth of fossil fuels every year. We have the resources and the technology to get this down to almost zero. I've learned that the obstacles are more political than technical. It's amazing what we can achieve when we facilitate smart people to solve the problems of the Earth. And I'm proud that many of the answers to our energy questions can be found right here in Ireland. This transition to renewable energy is already happening. But we need to scale it up much faster.